Hey everyone, in this video we'll go over the most important safety steps to follow when using an angle grinder. Let us know your safety tips in the comments below. Angle grinders use powerful motors to spin grinding wheels extremely fast. Some of the fastest grinders can spin at over 11,000 revolutions per minute. As the grinder spins and removes material from your workpiece, that material is sent flying at very high speeds. So needless to say, taking the proper safety precautions is important to prevent yourself or someone else from getting hurt. You should always use ear and eye protection and even a full face shield if possible. Anyone standing nearby should also be using the right safety gear. Snug-fitting gloves, long sleeves, and pants should all be used to protect your skin from heated, flying debris. Test your grinding wheels before each use to make sure there are no safety issues, and use the wheels at speeds for which they're rated. Spinning a wheel at excessive speeds can crack or even break it. The last thing you want is broken pieces of a grinding wheel flying around your workshop. Your angle grinder should come with a handguard. Do not remove it. Hold onto the handle with both hands, a firm grip, and keep your body in a stable position. You should secure your workpiece in place using a clamp. When possible, position your work so any debris moves in a safe direction. Don't use an angle grinder near any flammable materials or substances. Always unplug the grinder or remove the battery before switching wheels or performing maintenance. When the job's finished, give your angle grinder a quick inspection to be sure it's ready to use the next time, and when storing it, keep it well out of reach of children. These are the most important safety tips to follow when using an angle grinder, but let us know your safety tips in the comments below. And don't forget to visit eReplacementParts.com for more videos, blogs, and so much more. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.